By default, private file links don't expire. Once someone has the link, they have access forever. Here's how to change that. Prevent Direct Access Gold blocks direct access to your files. Private Magic Links is an extension that automatically expires and renews your protected file links. No manual work needed. Let's set it up. Step 1. Install and activate the PDA Plugin, both the free and gold versions in your WordPress dashboard, along with the Private Magic Links extension. Step 2. Configure your Magic Link settings. Go to PDA Settings. Then click the Magic Links tab. Set the default expiration time and select which user roles can access your Magic Links. Search and Replace is already enabled by default. It automatically replaces your protected file URLs with Magic Links across all your pages and posts. Hit Save Changes. Set it once. It applies to every protected file going forward. Step 3. Protect your file and embed it. Go to Media Library and upload your file. Once it's in your library, select it and click Configure File Protection. Then click Protect this file. The file is now blocked. Nobody can access it directly. Next, go to the page where you want to embed it. Embed your protected file and save or publish. Now go to the front end and right-click on the download link. Open the URL in a new window. Notice it's not pointing to the real file, it's a private token. That's your magic link. Once the expiration time runs out, try that same URL again. The link is dead. Now go back to the original page and reload it. Open the file URL once more. The token has changed. A new magic link was generated automatically. No manual work needed. Step 4. Set per-user download limits and share the link. Need more control over who downloads what and how many times? Back in the Media Library, click Configure File Protection on the protected file and click the Shared Private Link tab. Select which user roles can access the file. Set a download limit, for example 2 downloads, and a download expiry in days. Hit Save. A shared private link is generated instantly. Copy it and send it directly to your audience. Each user's download limit and expiry tracking starts from their very first click, independently from everyone else. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.